palm oil has good nutrients for our skin, and also with the sugar helps remove all the dead cell on our skin. So I have those rashes here. I think it's acne. Just had a reaction after I take my floor. My floor is over, so I'm applying it. Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. My name is Naturally DC, and in today's video we are going to do a glowing face or a glowing skin scrub. And in this video we are going to use sugar and red palm oil. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. I welcome you once again. And my already subscriber, I say thank you for your support. Now let's get into the video. So I have taken half spoon of sugar, that is white sugar, which is good in exfoliating the skin. It helps remove the dead cells on the body, and palm oil is really also good for making our skin looks nice and neat. So I'm going ahead to add this, some few amounts of it. Yeah, simple and so easy to do. That's it. This can last you for about a day, morning, afternoon. Alright, so let's get into how I'm going to apply this on my face for you to see or have a look. Alright, stay tuned. So guys, I'm going to take my shower this morning, and I'm applying my palm oil and my sugar scrub to my skin before I go out to take my shower. So I'm going to apply it on my face. I started doing this challenge last night, so to see how does work for a glowing skin. I'm going to apply it on my neck. On my chest I have. Palm oil has good nutrients for our skin, and also with the sugar helps remove all the dead cell on our skin. So I have those rashes here. I think it's acne. Just had a reaction after I take my floor. My floor is over, so I'm applying it's dirty. So guys, don't forget to try this at home to see how it's actually going to work out to be. So I've finished applying this, and I'm going to wait for about 30 minutes for it to dry down. Then I'll go and take my shower. I'll be with you back. Alright, thanks for watching. So guys, I'm done with washing my palm oil and my sugar scrub. Wow, my face is glowing. Wow, I like my new look. Alright, so please don't forget to share and subscribe to your friends. Thank you.